Hi, welcome to Foodie. Today we're going to make stuffed pepper soup, or I guess I could call it deconstructed stuffed peppers. So it's going to be very similar to stuffed peppers in the taste and everything, but it's going to be quick and easy because we won't be baking them. We're just going to mix all the stuff together and throw it in a big soup pot. So without further ado, let's get started with this. Actually, stuffed peppers was probably in my childhood my favorite meal that my mom would cook. Beef stew and stuffed peppers. All right, so I got a frying pan with about a tablespoon of olive oil. I have a half of a pretty large onion, medium chopped. I've got 2 bell peppers. I've got a red bell pepper, pretty large, and a medium-sized green bell pepper. And what I've done on each of them, I've got like half of it kind of a medium chopped, and then the other half I've got large chunks basically. And then the same with the green. Here's your medium chopped and here's your big chunks. All right, we're just gonna stir these, saute them just until they're nice and soft and tender, you know, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. And also to let you know, I do have rice going in the rice steamer. Okay, my onions are pretty soft, and some of the smaller parts of the pepper are soft, so I'm going to take this off the burner for now. So what I have here now in a stock pot is just 1 pound of ground beef. I'm using 80/20. So again, we got this on a medium-high heat. We're going to break this up, fry it into nice, just small pieces of hamburger meat. Oh, I almost forgot. I've got 2 cloves of chopped garlic. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Maybe a half a teaspoon of salt and some fresh ground pepper. So we'll fry this up until it's, you know, well done. 7 to 10 minutes, I guess. Okay, my ground beef is cooked well. So what I'm going to do here real quick, I'm going to drain the grease off of mine. If you use 90/10, you probably don't need to, but I'm going to drain off some of this grease that's accumulated. I've drained off the grease. I'm going to turn this down to maybe a medium. Now we can pour in our onion and pepper mixture. We'll pour in 1 quart. I'm using vegetable broth just because it's better for Catherine. You can use chicken broth or beef broth. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of just some Italian seasoning. We can put in maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed. I've got 2 cans of petite diced tomatoes. Let's start with 1. We'll see what that does. 1 can of tomato sauce. Here's what I think that really makes this recipe different than other stuffed pepper soup recipes. When my mom made stuffed peppers, you know, the tomato sauce was okay, but she always made like a gravy that she poured on top made out of tomato soup. And it just gives it a nice, real creamy texture. So we can start with, I'm gonna put in like maybe half of a can. Yeah, put the whole can in. Why not? You can stir this, and as soon as it warms up good, I'll test the bigger chunks of tomato, make sure they're well done and tender, and then we'll put a big dollop of rice in a bowl, pour this on top, and we'll have some stuffed pepper soup. I can't wait, I gotta try. Good, 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 good. Let's make sure these peppers are done. Yeah, if you want your peppers, you know, very tender, you can let it boil for a few minutes. I'm just gonna let this heat up to get it good and hot. And I think I'm not gonna use this second can of tomatoes, even though I already opened them. All right, we'll serve some of this up. First I'll get some rice. Now we'll just spoon the stuffed pepper soup on top. You can see this is going to serve a lot. I'll freeze some of this and we'll make quite a few meals out of it. All right, let's try this. Really good. You know what I think I might want to add, as optional, is put a little bit of chili powder in with this when you're cooking it. I think that'll make it even better yet. Really good. You don't have to bake those stuffed peppers for an hour, hour and a half. Catherine's going to try the stuffed pepper soup.
Name is very good. Just try. It's good. Smell is good.
Yeah, the peppers really make it smell good. I did sprinkle mine with some of the chili powder, and it does make a big difference. It's really good. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.